voter reform bill that will limit the ability of people, older people, poor people, to actually exercise their constitutional right to cast a ballot, and we're pushing back on that as well. But I think it's a sign of desperation. We're having a good day in Ohio. It's beautiful here. The voter turnout is high, and we're expecting a good victory for middle-class Ohioans this afternoon and into the evening.
Sunny days mean good things at the polls for people to get out and vote and be a part of the process. Larry, you faced union rights battles on a smaller scale at the ATU, specifically over motor coach accidents, driver fatigue, all based on overtime pay. So the NTSB is saying, quote, ATU's proposal is nothing more than an attempt to make an end run around the collective bargaining process that governs employee pay. There's no evidence to tie exemption from the FLSA overtime requirements to accidents in the industry. Okay, so we've got a lot of acronyms there, but basically, what is your response to that, and what does it mean?
Well, that's willful blindness on the part of the NTSB, and we're really disappointed that they would take that position. The NTSB has told us that 74% of the accidents involving fatalities on our highways in America caused by buses or involving buses are the result of driver fatigue, bad equipment, or driver health issues. All of these are connected to the fact that the federal government has turned a blind eye on the fact that drivers are working hours that are intolerable, that they're working beyond their physical abilities. And the NTSB knows this. We've met with them, and we continue to meet not only with them, but with members of the Senate and Congress to press this issue.
So do you agree with voters to the support there is to repeal this?
To repeal which? The law?
Yeah.
Absolutely. This whole thing is a grand deception. You know what Huckabee is doing, what the governor here, Governor Kasich, is doing, is a grand deception. They're trying to deceive the people of Ohio and the people of America to convince us that somehow by stripping middle-class people of their pensions and their wages and their health care, we're going to build a better society. That's nonsense. We reject it, and we're out working very hard to defeat Governor Kasich.
Melissa, let's talk about this because the governor of Ohio, Kasich, has become one of the most unpopular in the country right now. Is this not the conversation, though, or at least the example of the conversation that the larger Republican Party doesn't want to have come 2012?
Absolutely. Look, Ohio is the bellwether state. This is, as this vote goes, so likely will go at least the initial conversation going into 2012. You know, in these kind of off-year elections after the presidential election in 2008, many Republican governors took over in states sort of around this language of we're going to do what we can to get the economy back on track. And instead what's happened has been an attack on working people in places like Wisconsin and Ohio, where laborers, where teachers have found that they are under attack rather than being supported. This is not what voters were going for. And so the very fact that voters are having to go not to vote for candidates in this case, but to vote specifically on policy, because the policies passed have been so far to the right of what they'd hoped for, I think is evidence that the Republican Party at this moment is not in touch with, in fact, what working people need.
All right, we're going to keep our eye on that one. I say thanks to all of you, former Governor of Ohio Ted Strickland, Larry Hanley, President of the Amalgamated Transit Union, and Melissa Harris Perry, who again is staying with me. For more on this issue, though, be sure to catch the Ed Show tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time here on MSNBC. Host Ed Schultz will be broadcasting live from Ohio like he did last night. Mississippi votes on the so-called personhood amendment. This is a big one. Defining life is beginning at conception, but there's concern about this law and its implications for family planning. Plus, history could be made in San Francisco in either one of two ways. You're watching Super Tuesday coverage on MSNBC, the place for politics.
The Place for Politics 2012 Super Tuesday. Brought to you by Nissan. Innovation for today. Innovation for tomorrow. Innovation for all.
Mama said there'll be days like this. There'll be days like this. Mama said.
The toughest job on the planet just got a little easier with one-touch technology and even an air scrubber. The Nissan Quest. Innovation for family. Innovation for all.
Get up to $3,050 total savings on the 2011 Nissan Quest.
What's better than gold? Free gold. We call that Hertz Gold Plus rewards. You earn free days, free weeks, and more fast.